Lesson 10. 这儿的苹果真便宜. Objective 1. Comprehend and recognize product price. And then adjectival predicate sentence. Important thing. 怎么样 pronoun. And the currency of Chinese, RMB. Text 1. 请问有杯子吗？有，杯子在这边。多少钱一个？这些5块钱一个，那些10块钱一个。我买这个吧。杯子 cup, glass. All kinds of cup or glass like this or this or mug or high heel. We can all call them 杯子 in Chinese. 售货员 shop assistant, salesperson, vendor. 售货 means sell product. 员 refers to people and their job. So there refers to what kind of people they do in their job. So we have 服务员 we learned before. 服务 means service. 服务员 the people who serve. So it's waitress and waiter. 这边 here 钱 money. This radical means this character, this 汉字 has something to do with metal, iron, gold, silver, copper are metal, so they both have this radical. 这些 means these, 这 is this, 些 is a plural form, so 这些 means these. 块 is a measure word. For silver dollars or paper money, so it's for money. It's like $1, right? $1. 那些这些那些那 means that. 些 is plural form, so it means those. The currency in China is called 人民币 RMB. The symbol of it is this. The unit ran from the largest to the smallest R 元角分. 元角分. And also you can see it 块毛分. So this is formal. Used in the newspaper, on the press tag, we have this. But in conversation, we use this. So this daily use, we use this. And the standard order is from top to bottom. So there are two writing forms. Again, this is more like in the newspaper and the press tag, we have this. But in talking, in conversation, we have this. So here, it's just 分, so it's 元角分, so it's 2, so it's 分. But remember that if there's a measure word behind, we use 两. The measure word, right? We use 两, so we have 两分, 两毛, 两分, 2毛。But other situations we use 2, like we don't have 分 at the end, so it's 2. Like this 200. It's not measured, so it's 200. But this one, okay, so this one can also use 200. 2块2毛。You can use it, okay? So you can use both 200, 200, 2块2块202块2毛202块2毛 is both are right, okay? But I prefer this usage, so I prefer if we can do 202块2毛。So like in some country we have, for example, is like this. It's at $3.15, right? $3.15. But in China we just $3.1. I don't know how to say that. Maybe 5分. We don't see it as a whole. Text 2， 这儿的水果真不少。您想吃什么？您想买什么？我想买2斤苹果，苹果3块5一斤，这些7块2，7块钱吧。好的，这儿的水果真便宜。New word 这儿。Every time we see this as a suffix, it means this word, normally we use it in daily conversation, in oral speaking. So it means here, 水果 fruit, 少 means few little. We learned 多 before. 多 means plenty, many, plenty of. And 斤 is a measure word. It's a Chinese measurement. So we have kilogram, right? 1 kilogram equals 2斤。苹果 is apple. 便宜 cheap, affordable. 便宜 is neutral tone. Okay. Text 3. We don't have any. Oh, we have. The most important grammar in this class is adjectival predicate sentence. Adjectives can be used directly as predicate with adverbs of degree or negative adverb optionally placed before them. So basically our structure we talked before is subject, predicate, object, right? So in many of the time, in most of the situations, predicates can equal to verb, right? It's verb. I eat banana. I eat bananas. But in sometimes, this predicate can also be either noun or adjective. We learned noun before, like 今天星期一 today, Monday. So here Monday is a noun, but it's a predicate. We also can use adjective as predicate. So here's some examples. The first one is 这儿的水果真不少。这儿 here 水果 fruit 真 really is an adverb. So we know adverb. We usually put adverb before in front of predicate. So we can know this predicate. 不少 means not less, not little, so it's many. So we can know 不少 is an adjective, but here it's a predicate. So there are no verb in this sentence, right? The same structure like this one. 我的房间不大。我的 means possession. 我的房间 my room 不大 not big, so it's either small or medium. How to spell it like this? So 不大 here is a predicate, but it's adjective. 那个水果，那个苹果好吃。那个 that 苹果 apple 好吃 delicious. Right? In English, we will say that apple is delicious, right? But in Chinese, we can just use adjective as predicate. We don't use to be. We don't use be here to. We don't use be this verb as a predicate. We just use adjective as predicate. So we can just delete be here. So 那个苹果好吃。那个苹果好吃。How to say that fruit, that apple is not delicious? How to negating 好吃。How to negating an adjective? 不好吃 right? 不好吃。好吃不好吃 so 不 means negating. Text 3. 这家商店衣服真多。这件100元怎么样？好看也不贵。小雪能穿，买一件吧。好的，小明能穿吗？不能，这些是女孩子穿的衣服，男孩子的衣服在那儿。好的。I want to explain this why I marked 不. So we all know what's the pronunciation of this 汉字 is 不 right? It's first tone. Why here it's second tone? Why? Because there are sandies. Is it called sandy? Like this. Tone sandy in Chinese. For example, 不 this character, this 汉字, it's first tone. When it's in front of first tone, third tone, and the first tone. It's in front of the character has first tone, third tone, and the first tone. We change the tone from the first tone to second tone like this. So 贵 is first tone. It is first tone, so it's 1, 3, 4. So it's first tone. So we change 不 from first tone to second tone. So it become 不贵. It's not 不贵, it's 不贵. Like this. So if you just, meet more, encounter more, you will know more. Just remember this. 不. The original tone is first tone, but if 不 is put in front of the Hanzi, which has the first tone or the third tone or the fourth tone, 不 pronounced differently from the fourth tone to the second tone. Okay, here are the new words. The first one is 商店, shop, store. 商 means mechanism, and 店 is a suffix. No, it's not a suffix. Yeah, it's a suffix. It means shop. So we have all kinds of 店. We learned this one before. 饭店, 饭 means meal. 店 is shop, so 饭店 means the shop sells meal. 商店 it's the shop sells mechanism things. It's the goods, right? Goods. So it's store. 衣服 clothes. 件 piece is a measure word. So here in this conversation we will use 一件衣服. So we can use piece to in front of 衣服 clothes. 元 is the yuan is like dollar. Chinese dollar is called yuan. 怎么样 used to inquire the nature, condition, manner, etc. It means how. So we will learn later. So 贵 is expensive. 贵. We look at the below this radical. It's 贝. It means shell. If this Hanzi has 贝 as their radical, if a Hanzi has this radical, it means this Hanzi has something to do with money. So this radical means money. Why? Because in ancient time, before coins, we use shell as currency, as money. So if we meet Hanzi with this character, with this radical, it means something to do money. 穿 means wear, put on. 女 男. You must know these two characters because in every toilet, in front of every toilet, we have these two characters. But we usually don't have women and men. Instead, we have these two characters. So 女 means female, woman. 男 means male and man. 那儿 means there, that, place. R sound means this word usually used in daily conversation. And then we will learn how with the word here, this word 怎么样. So the interrogative pronoun is used to ask for opinions or inquire for a situation, so on. Inquire for about a situation. So basic structure is blah 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 怎么样 question mark. Blah 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 怎么样 question mark. It means how about. So 这个杯子怎么样 How about this cup or mug or glass? I like it and it's not expensive. 这个杯子怎么样 It's like when you walk in a mall, you see a beautiful cup and you ask your partner, you grab this cup and you ask 这个杯子怎么样 How about this cup? It's like they ask for opinions, comment, inquire about a situation. So I want to know what's your opinion on this. 这本书怎么样 ？This book 怎么样 ？Imagine you were invited to your friend's house, and then you stood in front of his or her bookshelf, and you saw this book, and you ask, "How about this book?" So it's good. It's a fun book. 这个菜怎么样 ？This dish 怎么样 ？It's not delicious. It's not that delicious. I don't like it. So blah 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 怎么样 means it's ask for opinion or a situation. Okay.